what might take Christ's place in our lives? Any thoughts?
Well, I think sometimes there might be a group or an individual who we seek acceptance from, or even just to get noticed by. And so what Christ really wants doesn't get put first.
Yeah, so like group or peer pressure could influence you over what Christ wants. Yeah.
Maybe work or success at their job comes ahead of everything.
Yeah, so career, work, job can get you too busy to worry about what you... Yeah.
Also perhaps family.
Yeah, family could be, yeah.
Or money, the love of money.
Yeah, I mean there's actually a Bible verse about the love of money, isn't there?